Hello, Namaskar, Vanakkam. I hope all of you have completely smashed the ICSE Class 10 English language paper. Delighted to see the essay topics. The interesting part is that I'm very convinced that the examiner has read this book because Class 12 had one topic very similar to what I had written about the jungle safari. This time there are two essays from this particular book which have been asked in the ICSE Class 10 board examination. On page number 24, the descriptive essay out here is that you and your family enjoy eating out. Give a description of your favorite restaurant or food stall and the sights and smells that attract you to the place. Now, you have two options. In this book on page number 24, there is an essay I've written. Give a vivid description of a popular wayside restaurant and account for its popularity. This is in this particular book. In this book, Write English Right, again, there is a book, there is a descriptive essay written. Let me just quickly go through it. Yeah. Describe an area in your city or hometown that is famous for its street food. Okay. So you just have to kind of make it into a restaurant or a food stall. And I have described the sights and smells in great detail. So if you have read this book or that book, you would have a ready-made reference for it. As far as the original short story is concerned, there is one out here which is written in the form of a narrative, but you can always make it into an original story. That while you were engrossed in watching a movie, there was a power cut, and then you get a visitor, a favorite character, or somebody comes. So you just have to write the same kind of an essay and make it into a very magical kind of a story. So delighted with the essay topics, right? Homework is a necessary evil. As I said, school related topics come, and I'm sure many of you would have done a good job with it. Very delightful photograph, and I hope you have done it. There are lots of picture compositions in this book of mine which have related to these kind of children playing these kind of games. Now, the letter topics pretty straightforward, and I don't think you would have had a problem. The formal letter much more easier, and in terms of content would have been easier. Your school is organizing an inter-school non-flame cooking competition. Write a notice about the thing. Non-flame, I wonder what you have written as the creative title. Let me just think about it. Inter-house non-flame cooking competition, right? Culinary delight. It could be a culinary delight. Or it could have been something like, since the word fire has not been used, you could have said cooking on fire, right? Or chefs on fire. That would have been a good one. Okay. Then let's look at the 3 1-mark questions. This one, the correct option would be old and ragged. Okay, many of you may have got confused between faded and yellow because a hat would look like, but dilapidated essentially is referring to something which is old and in a bad shape, which is ragged. The elementary is primary. Which word in the passage is opposite of boring? It is interesting. Very easy ones. Okay, I hope you have done a good job with the précis writing, etc. Let's move to the tenses and verbs. It glided slowly over the ruts in the road. It was 7 or feet, this thing, and held. I hope you've not got confused and written holding, because if it is in the past tense here was, it should ideally take held. Holding also in the flow of the sentence may sound okay, but I think held is definitely a more correct option. I stopped the car as to not to run over it. I was so frightened. I went quickly into reverse and kept backing away. The fearsome thing disappeared into the underground. Okay, then let's look at the prepositions. He acted according to my instructions. I hope sincerely none of you have written on my instructions. They scaled up the wall by means of a rope. Gina has a passion for music. I think it was there in one of our tests. Father patted Jay on his back for his good results. I have not seen Sonia. I always said since and from for will come since last May. They worked. I am very sure many of you will say in the night. Throughout the night also may be acceptable, but through the night, because you're talking of a duration, throughout the night also may be acceptable, but through is always a better option. Can you say in the night? They worked in the night to complete the project in time. I think the council may be a little lenient and accept it, but through is definitely, most definitely the best possible option. Whether they accept N, it's entirely up to the council. Miss Sharma refused to buy a new car because the cost was beyond. I remember using this, and I'm so glad I included that preposition. Remember, in my 100 marks preposition test, I had said I'm not very happy with this sentence, but because before is used both as a preposition and a conjunction, sometimes it may come, and I'm very glad I included that in the test. I hope you have done this correctly out here. Okay. He picked up the bundle, he walked away. The correct one is C, picking up the bundle, he walked away. Okay, I had done a lot of being and having wala thing in my test papers also. Ravi is not a technician. Ravi is not a musician. Ravi is neither a technician nor a musician. Tanya is extreme. 1 minute. Yeah. Tanya is extremely polite. We like her. We like Tanya. Now here, see, this is not correct. We like Tanya, despite this is also not correct. Okay, so between C and D, Tanya's extremely polite ways make us like her. As a sentence, it is not wrong, but it is unnecessarily introducing the word ways. So we will go with we like Tanya because she's extremely polite. The construction started on time. It was delayed due to the bad weather. So this one is, although the construction started on time, it was delayed due to bad weather. Since started on side, no. Okay, yeah, 4th A. Let's do the 8 marks of transformation. Samudragupta was one of the greatest of the Indian kings. So it is one of the, which means there were some other kings also who were as great as Samudragupta. So it means one of the greatest. So the correct one here would be very few. Okay, because here it says no other, here it says all other, and some Indian kings are greatest name. As great as Samudragupta would have been correct, but greatest is the wrong thing. So C is the correct option. Arre baap re, baap re, baap re. One should keep one's promises. Let's look at that, which is the correct one. One should keep one's promises. Promises should be kept. Oh, here the student has already marked it. The second is C. Yeah, correct. Second is C. I have passed the examination. He said, galat hai bapru, ye galat hai. He said that he had passed the exam. He had passed the examination. So A3 is A. He finished his exercise and put his books away. Having finished his exercise, he put his books away. That is correct. Unless she practices every day, she will not be able to meet her goal. Ye bhi galat hai baap. If she practices every day, she'll be able to meet her goal. 6th, Rashmi was too late to hear the first speech. Rashmi was so late that she could not hear the first speech. That's right. There is a slight difference between the two shades. 7th B is correct. Dr. Shetty is a professor and a research scientist. 8th D is also correct. So I hope this easy paper you have done extremely well. There is no reason you should be losing any marks in grammar. The student unfortunately has lost 1 mark, but you should be doing very well. And if you have done a good job with the letter writing and the essays and the summary, I think you have a very good chance of hitting the score in above 75 plus range, which will be fantastic for English language. English literature now beckons you. I'm going to have, they have done 2-3 percentage booster videos on the girl who can, the pedestrian, and with the photographer. And Julius Caesar, Act 3 and 4. Act 5 is pending. The poems are pending and 2 more stories are pending. Everything is going to come up in the next, starting at 8 p.m. tonight. It is going to come up. I'm going to bombard you with those percentage booster videos. Jitna bhala ISC class 12 English literature ka hua tha with the help of those percentage booster videos, तुम्हारा भी उतना ही भला करने का इरादा है. Plus the 7 test papers are there on the studywithsudhir.com website. Please get them right away, so that you can read all the answers of the 7 test papers over the next couple of days, because English literature में 80 on 80 लेकर आना है. Okay, that has to be the mission. So mission 80 on 80 for SWS starts at 8 p.m. tonight with the percentage booster video on a considerable spec. Tata, bye bye, namaskar.